Mama, connect yourself. Sacarete, sospito. Sacarete, sospito. Connect yourself. Understanding again, je comprends plus rien de ma chaîne. Good evening, Papa. Good evening, Papa. Good evening, everyone. Happy Sunday to all of you. Happy Sunday to all of you. Ademi no, pa. Ademi pa. Now only cry every day. Cry every day. I don't ask and say. I see some of you now, they just come out, they make post them, now they talk. Now don't talk about what picking them. Was 15, 16, 17 years picking them, where they don't come out for shooting for Bamenda. When I don't make comment about that one, now I can't talk about nation, well now, nation couple, now can I couple they make of Cameroon? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Small picking there for 16 years. My brother, how man go do? How man go do? When I only think that's some kind of picture, when I don't make comment for that picking there where they don't kill them. Now Amber boys they kill that picking them. Una can't tell me for you make a listing una. Una can't tell me for you make a listing una talk. They don't kill 3 again today for Bamenda. 3 again today for Bamenda. Mamma mia. No, this one I must talk for French. Make these police people, they make this army, they make they really listen me correctly and correctly. Chers amis, franchement, moi je n'ai rien contre vous, contre ce qui vous arrive. Mais il est inadmissible que vous trouvez des jeunes, même s'ils sont en train de prendre même en train de fumer les cigarettes, vous les abattez, les enfants crient. Les enfants crient à haute voix, nous ne sommes pas les ambazoniens, vous tirez sur eux. Mais vous êtes quel genre d'être humain? Vous êtes quel genre d'être humain? Les enfants crient, nous ne sommes pas les ambazoniens. Vous tirez sur eux à main nue. Les enfants ils étaient à main nue. Vous tirez sur les pauvres enfants. Vous tuez les enfants des gens pour rien. Parce qu'on vous a envoyé. Si vous avez peur de faire la guerre, mieux vous restez. Mieux vous démissionnez maintenant. Parce que un soldat, un vrai soldat, ne peut pas tirer à une bande de jeunes qui n'ont pas d'armes. Qui n'ont même pas un couteau. C'est déplorable. C'est déplorable. Vous tuez des innocents. C'est déplorable. C'est déplorable pour un armée qui est formé. C'est déplorable. Vous ne pouvez pas faire ça. Vous ne pouvez pas faire ça à ces enfants. Et tous ceux qui ont fait ça vont payer. Ils vont payer parce que ne croyez pas que tout ce que tu fais, ça va comme ça. Là. Mais non, c'est pas possible. C'est pas possible. Nous tous, on a des jeunes enfants. Oh, we will get young, small picking them. Una share this video, please. Una share this video. Una share this video. They don't send me the picture of them. Make a show una the picture of them. Mamma mia. Where life of which have you talk, Seth? Which have you talk? Oh no. Oh non. Oh non. Bobia, regarde ce que tu as rendu ce pays. Tu as rendu ce pays, il y a des gens qui tuent des gens sans aucun état d'âme. Les gens abattent les gens n'importe comment. Les gens assassinent les gens n'importe comment. Mais c'est pas possible cette histoire. Ça ne peut plus continuer comme ça, là, franchement. Vous allez vous parler de football. Est-ce que vous connaissez que 7 enfants, 7 viennent d'être tués à Bamenda? Est-ce que vous connaissez qu'on vient d'abattre 7 garçons à Bamenda qui n'avaient que 16 ans? Est-ce que vous parlez de ça? Est-ce que vous parlez de ça? Vous les francophones, est-ce que vous parlez de ça? Vous parlez que du football, du stade qu'on a construit? Mais dans quel pays nous sommes? Mais nous vivons dans quel monde aujourd'hui là? Est-ce que vous connaissez qu'on vient d'abattre les gens? Oh mon Dieu, Jésus-Christ de Nazareth. Franchement, mon jeune Jésus-Christ de Nazareth. 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 Attends, je vous fais voir la photo de ces jeunes-là qu'on a abattus. Je vous fais voir la photo de ces jeunes-là. Puisqu'on m'a envoyé ça aujourd'hui ici. Oh non, oh non, oh non, oh non. Oh non, et pitié, les gens souffrent. Oh God, have mercy on us. Have mercy on us. Have mercy on us, God. God. Donc maintenant, je vais vous expliquer ce qui se passe dans ma région. Donc maintenant, un jeune passe en route. Quelqu'un dit seulement que celui-ci ressemble à un ambazonnier, on le tue. On a dit qu'on accept the black lives. We don't talk about this video. We don't condemn which way the army they don't do. On overlay the police people. On overlay the phobia. Parce qu'on a picking they don't kill and play. We don't make video. We don't make video for condemn which way they do. For on picking them to the face of Bamenda. They don't kill three again to the face of Bamenda. My life. My life. My life. My life. My life. So, youth benefit be their own again. 4 and 3. Yes. 7. I don't know whether my phone don't even. I don't discuss today with some at least one man for Bamenda Day. We don't tell anything they have for Bamenda Day. I don't know if my phone don't record it. I will look at it, don't record it. I will make una listen now. Make una listen what happen. When I want to talk, I say no, read the party, you support. May I support who? May I support who? May I support who? May I support Pobia? May I support a old caricature? May I support that kind of man? For do it with you. For do it with you. Yes. Yes. Una wa accuse na with them. Yes. Una wa accuse na with them. What did the young boys do? Who said they safe? Una for this phone where they take and make this thing way it inside you. So something about the phone. But may I look am, I go meet up and for you. I go meet up and for you. Merde. When I share this video, please share this video. I want to make it touch the most touches. Share this video, please. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Now then this. Now then that. So now Amber they can't kill this one them. Now Amber they kill this one them. Now Amber they kill this one them. Una tell me make I understand and una tell me make I listen now. Now they kill that one them. Okay, una have no plenty. Now them kill this picking them. No one give me moral. No one give me moral. When something is not good, learn to say it's not good. Pourquoi vous assassinez les enfants des gens? Mais on vous envoie, c'est votre métier. C'est votre métier. Vous ne connaissez pas là où se trouvent les Amba Boys. Vous ne pouvez pas aller affronter vos égaux là-bas. Pourquoi vous tuez les innocents? Pourquoi? Why on a dit kill innocent souls them? Why? What did that picking they do now? Who no get picking, my brother? Who no get picking? Who no get small picking? Why we not get to kill those? Oh, mama mia. Hey. Oh no, life. You want to train with the killer? Lose small picking. Lose small picking. Lose small picking. Now I'm bad. The kid is one day. Mona can't tell me if you make a listen to now. John Gute, Prime Minister. Atanganji, listen me very well. Listen me very well and carefully. Oh no. A lack of words, a lack of words, a lack of words, a lack of words. That means say, you don't be in a team way, picking them not to work again off the street. That means they must kill them. That means say we're on picking them. Any man get picking for house. So certain age, they were any picking. They feel as to say, it don't for some kind of age, made to feel a little bit rascal if you come off for outside. Wait till the make una di go. Why policeman fika enter some place shoot small picking them. Na fear on a wait. Na Amba Boys they make una fear. Vous avez peur des garçons. Vous avez peur des garçons. Mais allez affronter vos égaux. Pourquoi vous tuez les innocents? Qu'est-ce que les innocents vous ont fait? Wait till the innocent souls they do now. Una listening this talk. I feel say don't tape up. I will just make una listen as small. Una listening this talk small. Una share this video please. Na conversation we get on today with some my mommy. We just get on today conversation where they just call me for the conversation and then I feel say if it is my phone don't take them. We go listen and small. Yes, it is to take them.
Now meet this Amazonian board.
No, not that one.
Come on, very different. The thing is, sister man, I even tell you what will happen. Now military now they give day where they give a berry. And you know they be impulsive with their guns or if you do something. Oh mama mia. Well, anyway, think and see. Think and see. You see, I know, maybe they don't prepare place. So the only worry is that the military now, the military they decide the day. The military don't talk to one move on the day. And then if when I know day that day, they go move and go bury them.
And the military,
so they don't say they will spoil them.
Asalo, bro.
Yeah.
Asalo, though.
Yeah, so.
Na military kill the beginning, man.
Na military kill, like military kill. I mean, say, oh, that broad daylight, no be say they talk something around 2 o'clock. Broad daylight, beginning the crisis will not be amber.
Where?
They come out, they don't kill 3 again for Tambulum just now. They talk so long, kill 3 for Tambulum.
Don't kill another 3 them again.
And as they talk around 1 hour ago, we never meet so we whole meet about that picking them, they kill 3 for Tambulum.
My goodness.
Yeah.
Now they
so yesterday today don't kill and then we the one they won't know how many we don't kill I won't know. The one where they shoot up with them from them.
Where? But if you say wait to begin na young age, begin the young age, then na small rascal.
15 years, 16 years old begin them. That begin them because who sham.
Where?
Yeah. So when they don't do them so they say the kind case go worry. Now they take and go bury up. They go on a day. When a no man they go for mortuary because they fear say the family people spoil them. So no man they go for mortuary. They say this day when they move and so go bury and the military will take and go bury them all for them. They come out go and then when I try for mobilize like the sister message talk. If I mobilize all town, as you come on like sometime the day before the crisis, when the crisis will just start, when they shoot somewhere around. We come and go for Dio's office now. We can't go drop out of Dio's office. Dio come on, beg, can't come public security, the lock door. Can't go for judicial for the lock door. We'll ask them to come, we'll give some community barrier. But now, the military then be out for a mission. Where they kill, you don't mean anything. I just say, any man, all minute will talk, as we'll talk, so feel the pains. And that's all. You know, they express their anger.
Now, all that.
You know, they express their anger.
Where?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, even I don't hear say they tap me, say.
Not the year. 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 Una they call me, to say we the Paris. Why you support these guys? Not the year what did it happen? How now I make a live? How now I make a stay? How now I make a shit down? How now I make my spirit be inside? How now I make man even live in peace? Because una they need call una for tell una thing them. Because they need una know how many calls I receive per day. I can condemn my own brothers them. Because they don't turn up say they no go make this kind of rubbish happen again for one land. When I share this video, I will just stop this video now. So when I share this video, please. I want me now 100 when I make 100 shares. Now make 100 shares, Masiam. I get only 1 hour for I talk my belly, anyone hear my belly one time. Kind of stupid man this. Atanganji, you don't go turn up, you be minister now. You be minister. But you feel say for being minister now, so na baby degree you carry on. Because even the English they talk say na nonsense English. Like I tell you if you don't know. When I share this video, I tell you now, when I share this video. When I share this video, my camera. Now share the video. How can I live be this? How can I live be this? Atanganji, you and this John Bute, John Bute, where na who? Una no figo remove this chief where they call it where na moja this chief where na can a thief where na can a thief be this? Now can a thief be this? look at for this revolution, I respect any man in own way for think. But I know what makes some man come the misplaced people them. Moja una na graphy beso southwest. Now what is get some man we been a thief fit talk that kind of nonsense. Fit talk kind of nonsense. Maybe people go kill graphy them. Now can I talk with that? Now can I talk with that? Okay, they don't keep picking them Bamenda. They don't keep picking them Bamenda. Picking the way they come up for go play their own small play, make their own small rascal and they make their own rascal. So I don't tell una, my sisters them. I see video the way that the men are saying una. Me I don't feel like video where they did not woman. It mean I feel some kind because my mother was a woman. I did feel the pain. But I tell una again, if you not get hard for stay for the Bamenda or any place, better you come up for that land. Better you go anywhere you can go, my brother them. Una they don't see them where they can't lie. Una say all things don't be fine. Una don't see them how they keep people they now so for that land them. Una don't see what they happen for that land them. Una don't see them. Una don't see them. Not saying I play. The one last time people will call me with the party. Why they support? I support with you. I support with you. I stand up when my land is going to 6 feet. I stand up. I will never leave them. My career na waiting. Wait, party picking them. Look, fine picking them. They go kill them. When I don't see that picking them, fine young picking them. Very nice picking them. Wait for born, beautiful picking them again. If we make what pride. The man when I support and send a problem. Now he one wipe, he don't deserve to wipe all of us. He don't deserve to wipe all of us. We don't understand the message. Probably not the inside. We don't understand the message. Now look something back. I want to continue with that voice. Make una listen fine. Wait till they happen for Bamenda. Now, I want to make una listen something. Una share. Now listen.
It's pathetic, but one day history will tell, even when they not question the people concerned, one day they begin to go through the same pains we all to go through.
You say that mommy want try for connect back.
Life na nothing again, my brother. I dey tell you now, I never understand me. I never understand my story. I never understand my pain. I dey feel the pain. Now listen what did happen for one picking them. Now listen what happened for one picking them. Now listen. When I wait, I will put the video back. When I wait. Una wait small. No listing.
Yes, mommy, your internet get
The whole
problem.
town be militarized. The whole town be militarized. Extortion, exploitation, rape, everything just be normal. They just catch girl. You know, just pick up girl for along the street. I say identity card, they get some ID, they say go intervention. You go enter you, the man will rape you.
Well.
You cannot go you. Or if not, oh, people, the evil is too much, brother. The evil is too much. It is disheartening.
Well.
It is disheartening. I shed tears every moment of my life.
Well.
I shed tears. Then they minister to the road. As you come, they just ID. You mistake, forget the ID, then their life is gone. And then one boy, they now will find a mama. They take it for hotel on the 26th. Where the boy, the pastor door, I have a hotel.
Yes, mama.
Not a year.
Oh,
Yes.
hello, Willie. Polycarp.
They set up on 26th. Say, when you take the boy, you go, I cry, die. Don't go outside. Me to go in all place. They ask all come there. They say they know they ask here on the everywhere.
Well.
So we conclude now say he don't die. But how do we start? We don't know. Because we don't save the money when I talk. We contribute money for quarter give una. Both are not be the most peaceful quarter since the thing start.
Man.
The whole time of those days, no day again. Since the thing start, Ota not be the most peaceful quarter. Then why would they come in for do all the kind of thing there?
Mama me.
So even military people don't run for all quarter.
Where they can't settle for all town, then they can't kill for all town.
Yeah. And then all military, all military, they don't can they hide for inside all town. They stay inside all town. They say no quarter not be safe, so they stay inside all town. So it be more risky for me with the amber and with the military. So we just there. I can never go tell military man say. So the military they do the sympathize with me, but when shooting they go on, they don't get any option. They maintain silence because they see orders they command from presidency.
That means not to know. Man, if you do not know, you will do it now when they begin to run that.
Man, I just when they kill and we try bury him.
Wow.
Now order.
Well, look at
So when they kill and bury, they kill and bury.
That means you get to sensitize for picking them now for this risk.
Yeah.
Anybody.
Sister man, a lot of sensitization they don't be done. If you imagine say general they will come say the one cleanse town. They enter for house there. They open withdraw see 100,000 where my big brother keep and Peter they take the 100,000 come out there. C'est ça, you take them come out.
They broke gate from a house. No, they broke gate to enter a compound.
Yeah.
Now the listing.
The one broke my door. Hey, they hide gun there inside my room there.
Yeah.
They get them. I never repair up to now. Because I say if I repair up,
all we know say by 7 o'clock, all man they home. A lot of sensitization there. A lot. As we town you there, the worst thing that we Ataranji they do. Because when he step it through, they like even they Bamenda 2 days ago, now why all this shooting there? Each time we step it, they say they give orders, they wanna kill. We can't talk that thing, say the boys is in the bush. So the anger and people they laughing. Because they laugh about Bamenda too much. Any man is usual, and I say the boys is how. So they don't actually get the feedback and they don't come back with revenge.
Well, see, look at the world on me.
I know. That means that's really a good topic for a song. Really, the voices equals to death.
Yes. And bury the belief. And Kumba Fako division. Some they come on, no, some they already there, they go on. As well as we sing that song, it didn't but I don't know what it did with the country.
Okay, I just like say, Mr. Polycarp, I beg, when they do some very symbolic thing, you understand now? When they do some symbolic thing, I say Old Town not get your colors. Therefore, bury them with Old Town colors. Maybe some family, Old Town, you know, say all this my worker up and down. So wherever I reach me off station, look down that Old Town, so I feel at home. So if you imagine, I cry because. Honestly, I'm the auntie of every child for that Old Town. I know that picking them, even I know them personally. I know that they don't pass compound. Assist for one. You even know Takam. You know Takam one boy with the key picking. Nelly with the picking name and Nelly. Because Takam they do the building thing there. I don't see so one Taraya place there. It be part of this. No, I know Delphine. No, I know Delphine. Yeah, good, beautiful. For mommy, prayer way take place.
Now the year. Now was just sit down. Go meet up fools them. We important problem and deal with fish don't that. Okay, the attendant don't can't say war don't finish now. The war, the probably don't win the war now. Now they win the war if we go keep picking them for 16 years and 15 years. It be very normal. Is it normal to do this? Is it normal to go and kill innocent souls? It be normal if we go keep picking them. Why we feel reach for that kind of level? Why we feel it for that kind of level? Why? Now the war that don't finish. Wait now they arming them. Maybe they say the war don't reduce. Wait now they arming them. Then they go for inside bush or go fight people them. Now for inside quarter now they go susu picking them. Picking the way they want me just more rascals. That was me a cigar for mention for social the don't can be matured. They don't go kill our children like that. They go just go destroy a generation like that. And the other mommy the way to go talk. Now the Cameroon that will like them. And the Cameroon that women must talk bad against the Cameroon. No, if you talk bad against the Cameroon, you know your own. They must kill you. Now the Cameroon that. Now that Cameroon where would they talk about? Now that country will talk about, now that milite them, est-ce que c'est comme ça que la l'armée doit se comporter? S'il faut vraiment parler franchement, que vous qui me dites toujours que nous les anglophones, oui, on n'a pas été avec nos frères, on n'a pas été avec nos frères. Si c'est comme, je demande si c'est comme ça que l'armée doit se comporter. Et personne ne parle. Est-ce que vous connaissez qu'on vient de tuer 7 garçons à Bamenda? Ils n'étaient pas les ambazoniens. Ils n'ont jamais porté des armes. C'est des enfants qui ont atteint la puberté, qui sortaient dehors pour essayer d'aller un peu, essayer de faire les petits trucs qu'ils peuvent faire. Et au retour, les policiers viennent les encercler. Et les enfants crient. Nous ne sommes pas les ambazoniens, nous n'avons pas des armes. Et les policiers tirent sur eux. Putain. Because they holla, will not be that people. They shoot without no pity in mankind. I think she don't read big paper. English we know for talk. English we know sabi for talk. You only pork nose for go talk English. You know for talk English. You be minister. You say you be minister because you over go school. No, you were the lucky one. You were the lucky one. They choose you for come betray your own people. That is what you came to the world to do. To kill your own children. To frustrate your generation. That is what you came to this world to do. Now you vex that they laugh you. Why do you not go laugh you? Why do you not go laugh you at Tanganji? Any man with the prognose, it ever gets much more error the way you don't know. Now you do for talk any side, television, now you do French minister they need talk. Now you do all side because you be minister of territorial. Because now you don't put that for them. Make can't be there for them. Anything you just prognose the talk. Where do you feel talk of people them? You know book pass. And they go make kind error the way. Normally they get to move for that place for minister way they get to remove you for that. Kumba sumota yo ko ba mena se meme. Sumota yo ko ba mena se yo go ba mena se na meme division. Because you just prognose, you talk anything anyhow. You get to sit down sometimes look your life. Maybe now you feel before power the key are picking that you get nothing for talk. You are accused like Amber Boys them. You feel say those Amber Boys are they are not our brothers. No matter how they treat them, no matter how any man they take them for how, those Amber Boys are our brothers. If you don't know, If you don't know. Yes, water run dirty for up. All my day for down must feel the dirty. Yes. Now picking that don't kill him. We don't talk waiting. We don't talk waiting. You don't can't say Pobia don't win the war. Pobia win one and for go keep innocent picking them. Now Pobia a war that for keep innocent picking them when they don't do nothing, picking them when they don't do nothing, just done. Talk and shoot them. So police people they are work now for inside Bamenda and for Waka, just they look any man. This man fever amber, the man to. This man fever amber, to. Now so that they make up for some country. My sister they wanna tell me. Make I will put my number. When I feel call because I get 1 hour. I get 1 hour for you. I already make 30 minutes for when I get 30 minutes for call. 00 39 35 10. 10. Yes, 57 47. When I feel call. When I feel call na my number that. Una fit call me kuna tell me na for WhatsApp. Una fit call me kuna tell me if you not so. That means say donc ma talk more for friends me they listen me. Donc maintenant c'est devenu que au sud-ouest et au nord-ouest, il y a des militaires qui se promènent dans la ville. Dès qu'ils te regardent, est-ce qu'ils ressemblent à un ambazonné? Ils jugent dans leur esprit maintenant. Si celui-ci ressemble à un ambazonné et il tisse et personne ne va juger ça. Et personne ne va amener ça nulle part. Nobody will pay for that. Because I want to say no, people they don't create their imagination city. They don't create their imagination country. Idiot de l'Epadia Sanga, can't turn the talk. Why you not talk for this one? You hate Amba Boys, why you not can't talk for this one? If they tell una say na police people they go keep picking them for Kumba. Una take a lesson una noye. Who they keep picking them for Kumba now? Who they kill on for Bamenda now today? Na Amba they kill them. Una tell me, make a listen. Na Amba they kill them. Okay, me way I overlay the Amba them pass out it. Na Amba they kill them. My goodness. Picking of just shoot them. You can't shoot them. Picking of the Halawi are not Ambazonian. You just shoot them. You just shoot away tea, my brother. You just shoot away tea. You don't get feelings. You don't get picking them. You don't get picking them. Una no play with the Amber Boys and they when I go fight the fight. Una need to go fight the fight. Now let's remember for inside quarter they kill, picking them they go school, picking them they work. That is what you are doing. That is your daily job. To crush all the children of Ambazonian. That is what you are doing. That is what you are doing. That is your daily job. To kill all of them. But look, let me tell you something. Anything we do for this world, you must pay. Anything we do for this world, you must pay. Yes. Una go kill them. Una go kill them. Una go do all way to go una want to do them. But the man will get the final word, na God. Now you know what did it take place. You don't be na tiwe. Una recall una self so that black legs. Where una need to calm down. Where una need to talk about that picking they don't die. Or na amber them. That picking to na amber them. The picking they kill and amber them too. I want understand. I want listen una. Because all una for condemn una umbra them. Na for condemn una na Moses. Una noting the past all man. So this was small petit for just not coming from my phone. They talk me any rubbish anyhow. So I just come out tell me say ground willy. Make ground willy do it. Man no can talk. Man no can talk say picking they don't die. Okay, make a talk say picking they don't die. Make accuse now who them my own brother them. Now they kill their own picking them. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be out of your mind. You should be out of your mind. You should be out of your mind. Yes. Now my number that my one call, make it call. Make it to give your own proposal. Make it propose. Some boy they just walk off in front of your hotel. They just talk say that boy fever amber. They just catch him. So today they never still play with that boy don't go. It be normal. It be normal. Una tell me, is it normal? Is it normal? Goodness of Jerusalem. It be normal. Pikin just walk around say, you know if you walk again, I don't tell una tron hate. They can't tell our market, una miss speech them, and we no go come out, we no go do this, all things they fine. Una be very careful, my brother, una be very careful. After everything, man want turn back for village, man want turn back for that place, come meet people the way you go even she don't drink even one bottle remember to them. Una be very careful, my brother. Una be very careful. Make you no come keep fool now for monitor say they like una for night they'll kill una. Una be very careful. Where you are living is not safe. Where you are living is not safe at all. The intellectual, the one way they teach they get sense. Who said them now for can make speech? Who said them now for can talk? Who said them now for can talk? For can talk about who the kid is picking them. Kumba on not make. Hello?
Hello, Grand Willie.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, hello, Grand Willie.
Yes.
Yeah, I call for Germany. I call for Germany, Grand.
Yeah.
I thank you. I thank you so much for the work with the good God. I want to appreciate you. May you continue for the good work with the good God.
Thank you too. Thank you too.
God bless. Yeah, Grand. God bless you, Grand. I just now small contribution that I want just appreciate you for everything you do, God. Everything you do.
No, because so when they say I support wrongly. I want to know because that way it happen for Kumba. People they go talk say for Kumba. We the party just talk. You know one know what happened. Okay, I want to know now. This one for Bamenda will happen. This 7 people they don't die for Bamenda. Na Amba they go kill them too. Perife. Una tell me. Na Amba go kill one them too.
No, God, Oma don't see that one. That one na near the hand of that. Na near the hand of that. You say I say God, all that thing they talk and so na black leg them. Na black leg the leg. So God, if you said it try for insult you. I tell which name himself again. It try for insult you. No mind for other people that can follow your way, follow your track. Follow your track, will for your back, God willing.
I get some time for some man. If you see me, I block some man. You can cost me. I'm just asking now one question. Now who kid that picking them? Where they meet they smoke cigar. Any man don't do that thing for life. Who never do it? Even that army they never do it. That president never do it. For go she don't smoke cigar, make some more rascality to my house.
I tell you, Ganfred, that thing tire me, Ganfred, Ganwilly. That thing tire me, Ganwilly. That thing tire me, Ganwilly. But anyway, Ganfred, we'll do for your back. We Amazonia will do for your back.
Thank you plenty. Take care, my brother.
We'll do for your back. May God bless you. May God bless you, Ganfred.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Take care.
Stay strong, Ganfred. Yeah, thank you, God.
Ciao.
Thank you, bro.
Una tell me, I want know. I want make una tell me. I want know. You there for my page. You coach me. You do everything. That is okay. I not gonna problem. Any man get right forget it think is them. Even Monja. I not be against say he talk say no anything get to be fine for a place. He be thief. Yes, but I be against say he go begin turn up a old thief. Irresponsible thief, who my father dullest, the most dullest, whom I don't know who they believe for that kind of fool. Go turn up and say, graffiti them. Yeah, all fight now will graffiti them. See how Englishman stupid to the stupidest level. And he get right for talk his own thing way feel for the revolution. Or he deal with the people them, or he not deal with the people them. But you feel also not deal with the people them, but not cause another tribe. Not cause another tribe. Say graffiti them, say these people them, cause people them. No, I don't want that kind of talk on my life at all. Because all of us, we are one. Because when they suffer we for this province, when they suffer we, now we will suffer. Understand? Graffiti no day, or whatever, no man no day. All we are one. Go see some kind of dirty man, no even know for dress, say the thief. Come get and talk any rubbish. Because if you say if you talk rubbish, okay, now they don't go kill the picking them. Who side and they where they don't come on and they talk say they picking the way they die, so now this kind of thing don't happen for them. Who side and they for talk? Una tell me, make them can't talk. Who side and they for talk? Who side and they for talk? Picking them, they go for Kumba. Kiwa picking them for school them. We know what they are for cry. Now the one that they don't go right this where they go right this now. Don't go kill them. After they can't talk say. No, na Amba they go kill the boys them. Na Amba they kill this boy them. I want to know. Una tell me for ye make I know. If you look at Davobiki right, say you want to coach me. If you get kindness for life, if you get courage enough, take your phone, call now WhatsApp, call away the pretty call me could talk face to face. Yes, no? Call me could talk face to face. No be me say the fear waiting. Now I don't put my number. Say make a call. If you get courage, call and let's talk. See me sometimes stupidity people them. When una picking they get problem, I need to fit enough for talk. If you want to overlay phobia, una overlay the phobia pass all man for this way. No phobia na God now. Phobia no you na the most peaceful man. Who the key was picking them? No na the phobia. Who the key was on children? No na the phobia. No one tell me waiting. Now go be right. You get courage. Call. Now they call that. Me no can come from my phone after the ground really. They need talk ground really no there for ground really for here. Hello. 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 How can I come to this? Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
You do live?
Yes, you are on my live. You are on my live show. Who is that?
Yeah. Hello.
Are they listening you talk? Now which can come to this?
Do you hear me?
Are they hear you now? Can come to be this?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm calling from Ghana.
Ghana, okay, yeah. They listen you.
Yeah, from Ghana. I just want to tell you, say, I don't blow you up. I like your program and I give you plenty courage. And I just hear all this that will happen. And I'm just fucking confused about that country.
Now they get me now. Now they get me now. Because if it turn up, yes, we are boys there. I listen to you, my brother.
Yeah, this our program regime, some regime with Udo.
Oh, that country where they get a lot of problem. We'll take different man. Hello?
Hello, my brother.
Yes, hello, Papa. Now, how for you?
Hello, Willie Dipari.
Yeah, this is Amba Boy.
Fine, thank you. Now, I can have the talk. Oh.
Okay, Papa.
Yes, I beg. I want to appreciate you for your work and your dedication where you put towards your people. It shows say you know your foundation. Yes. It shows say you know the place where you come out and correct picking, not to forget place where Imami Bonnie. Yes, not to forget their family compound. I just want to encourage you, say, may you stand up, may you stand strong with your people. No matter what happen, no matter the insult, no matter the isolation, forget that people. Yes, blood is thicker than water, and they fade that. Ambassador must stand. No matter what way they do, no matter how many of our people where they kill, no matter how many innocent souls where they waste time, but may we make them understand, say, blood is thicker than water. Yes, now Mike and I'm the talk. Now my first time to talk with you this, so I really appreciate. Yes, I just see your life show as I'm drawing. And maybe that name angels where you see and there.
Okay, yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Until one day. Look up, no matter how long it takes, yes, there's only darkness in the process, but there's light at the end of the tunnel. So we go make a victory in our portion.
My brother.
Yes.
That means say what happen say when I go fight with people they don't fight you now. When I go back and start kid meet up picking them where they get future, when I go to kill them anyhow, my brother. That one is
La Republica demon now wish people now never in this life, and they tell the international community every day, never in this life shall we unite with La Republic. Never. Over my dead body, over the dead body of all Amazonians, shall Southern Cameroon reunite with French Cameroon. Never. That one a fact. That one a way they stated. And this war, so the end they say we must win now. Victory in our portion. Yes. No how no they will lose it for one turn now. Nobody for this world go fit turn now. Victory in our own. May they continue the kill. May they kill. How many days will never finish cry. May they continue. Yes, but the message will only go out there. We'll stand strong. Nothing spoil, nothing shake. No shake, no day. No shishing, no dey brother. Don't hold on tight. I dey your back. We did together.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes, nothing spoil. Thank you, my brother. No wahala.
Okay.
Keep going.
See, make I tell you something what I don't understand. That's what I don't understand. Man not get 2 houses for this world. Man not get 2 houses for this world. It like you be 10 houses for your life. So 1 house the way they carry her for heart. When I for day where you sleep, you get better sleep. If me I go Cameroon, where I no reach Limbe, I no reach Boya, I no reach Banga Bakundu, Kumba, I can never be free. Because I for day, this my nephew, so I for the bury him for Banga Bakundu. Now for they bury my nephew for Banga Bakundu. And that day where they go burn my house, my village, they go burn that village where I give all my life into. And then some man can't tell me, say, read the party. See how so when they come here after, they see how you don't lost fans them. You don't lost fans them. Whose fans them, my lover? I first ask who for be my fan. You like what I do, you like, I don't like, I go sit down, drink your gari with your dirty sense. You feel say that what they dance inside street for inside Cameroon, I dance for discotheque them. It is and they know what they do. So if it's an announcer where you can give me knowledge, I get the knowledge. And I'm not going to ever permit any man go kill what I'm picking the anyhow. I know man if it not talk. When I can't have to say black leg, me, master, these boys they do over too much. When I want to now country. You get right for caution, you get right for protect, you get right for vex. But my brother them, they picking the way that they die now we're picking them. You need the fear, you need to feel the pain. Even said the fear accused Amber boys they for all kind of thing. Even said the fear accused Amber boys anyhow. None of Amber boys will go keep picking them for Kumba for school. My brother can tell now. Maybe the Amber boys will go Bamenda, go begin shoot instead for go find a kelebe them play with the kelebe them day. Amber boys will go keep find a picking them small banger for go kill them. Una the risk una sense for insight. Una sense common sense. Una get una mendula de correct. Or sometimes una mendula get some small problem inside. Make una tell me today make a listing. Voilà nos enfants qui voulaient composer le bac. Voilà nos enfants qui sont inscrits dans le bac parce qu'ils voulaient s'amuser. Maintenant on parle de Dieu. Est-ce que vous avez pris votre parole? Parlez par rapport à cet enfant. Vous êtes là, il y a la chambre, on joue la chambre. Ceux qui sont jaloux, il y a des cadavres au Cameroun. Et ton fils, il y a eu 7 morts à Bamenda. Aujourd'hui. Oh la CIA TV. Il y a eu 7 morts à Bamenda aujourd'hui. Faites comprendre les Camerounais que les gens sont morts encore à Bamenda aujourd'hui là. Les enfants de 15 ans et 16 ans, 14 ans sont morts aujourd'hui à Bamenda. Eh monsieur Pobia, je te rappelle qu'il y a encore eu des morts aujourd'hui. Et vous, la CAF, faites qu'à foot. Il y a eu des morts à Bamenda pendant que vous organisez les tournois. Les gens sont en train de mourir là-bas à Bamenda. Je vous rappelle que ces gens sont mes gens. Ces gens, c'est les gens de ma patrie. Allô?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Please, slow down, not that phone.
Okay.
They are getting you.
Yeah. So, what have you get for art about this struggle? First of all, thank you for the efforts where they put. They follow your live show all these days, them, and it really be something where we Ambazonians will need to come together, we'll put our head together, and then we'll think for a way forward. Well, this struggle will don't come a long way, and we'll still get a long way for go. But a lot of division will see among ourselves. Now, wait till that way to hinder we for really move forward. So I just use this opportunity for back Ambazonians and say, may them come together, think as one. Yes, some people get right for vex, then get right for protest, and get right for be against. They say Amber boys do this, then do that. But now the same people, when they see the thing the way military do to our people,
they don't want to talk. They don't want to talk, my brother. They don't want to talk. They don't want to talk. They mean it's not evil.
They don't want to talk. Yes. So now went to that way, it really makes so nothing move forward. Cameroonians, first of all, they be united more than we the Ambazonians them. Why? Because when they see something where they don't want to talk, or they keep quiet. But when we see something we will not get for talk, Some people they talk, some they keep quiet. If we not be united for stand together, move together as one, this struggle really it will really be difficult for attain the goal at the end. So, myself are there for Cameroon, are there for the ground zero, are they see what they happen. So are the only beg Ambazonians and say may them come together, think as one, may them reunite as will be there for 2016.
That's all. Let me ask them. I think join too for your own talk. Beg them. Say, Kosh, do this one. That rubbish. Na rubbish. Kosh, na rubbish.
Na rubbish. We not go go anywhere with this division. This division, the limit we, you know, they only make the Cameroonians and La Republic, then they laugh with, but they use that opportunity for settle.
Oh, they argue now with you, my brother. My brother, you should tell me. They argue now with you. They find weighty. What did they fight?
I don't really know where to be Amazonians their own problem, because one group go up said and they with this, another one said and they with that. Together we stand, divided we fall. It be like they don't forget this simple talk. We get for come together, encourage our own, move forward together. They just say if Amba boy them, they know be they do it what they do with the military go reach today. So Cameroon for stand for side and stand, then they saw their skin the hot. Though they not admit them, but wait where Amba boy they do them, their skin the hot. So we therefore support our own, try for think as one, come together, unite, fight this fight together.
That's all.
You know, plenty of people that don't die. Plenty of people that don't die for the process. As our brother way for score talk, the road always dark, but there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. So we will leave this tribalism, division amongst ourselves. For one side, come together, fight as one, think as one, move forward as one. Now the only way that we'll achieve the goal. Now wait till that we have to just get for that.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your contribution.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah. Are they live? Are they follow your show?
Thank you, Papa. Now listen, wait till anybody run talk. I don't want to enter for this talk. Because I don't want to belong to no side. I'm just with you. I don't look una. Now when I start this matter, now when I no play when I carry and go, me I just support her because the man feel live his own family. But it's already tired me. I need this. Hello. Man, you call. When you call, you stop your phone. When you call, you stop your phone. When you call, you stop your phone for. Stop your phone. Stop the another phone. Then they listen you. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah. Grand Willie.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm really happy for this year small to really try to put sense for that. Just say if they ask they can fair. They say picking him in one way now, I'm born now. They say mine is still for glass house need to play stone. So gang, I understand your pains. I will know people they don't die. This struggle finally we say we don't know who's how to go. No play come on knows how to go. People they see fall every blessed day. They fall for damn gang to choose so they think don't pass all our power. Some of you win there for the place, so they supposed to be for the play. They so bad. I just see that struggle.
Right.
You know, I make a mistake out. Plenty in them. We don't lost plenty in them. I don't lie you. This struggle now, doing some divine blessing. Major God, you can't bless them. The land is scarce. You know, God, when I talk so now, tears so I see that's not picking. Harmless picking. They talk so harmless picking them. Put a whole gun, begin to knife, even stick, picking for 15 years. Even a 1B, that probably if you do 1B, if you know, gang, to choose the talk to me, say, I'm not you, gang, I follow you, I don't follow your show, I need to just put a number, say, no. If you never touch me for that, because it's true, if they don't begin to begin already, why burn them? Gang, to choose so this struggle, I beg, when I do, when I voice, they little higher, and I try for the shout to me, put the year, I don't lie you, gang, because, now only when I saw the even said we for you. I don't lie you. Only when I voice when I talk. Only when I talk so. No what you when I do. Community they hear, and the voice will go up. Say people know they don't hear me. They hear me. They share me. People don't hear me. They hear. I mean they hear the matter gang. You worry.
Thank you plenty.
You worry gang. I don't lie you. I'm always wanting that I get to do, and I appreciate the good work where they do. Just continue so they shout so.
Thank you. Thank you.
And one day I cry with the cry so every day so you know go in vain. Because you do on
one day.
Thank you, plenty.
Thank you. Take care. One day, now God going to go hear our prayer. Una de for busho, una no get chapo, mami. una just pray, oh. God go hear our prayer. Pikin dem no go see moja siga, oh, papa. Mbamone ningambo. Soldiers they enter inside the house, oh. They see some more picking them, oh, daddy, they start the shoot, oh. Picking them, they start the holla. Well. Oh, my life. Which life might I even get them again, sir? Which life might I even get them again? Which life? Okay, which life? Which life you get them? For me, proud sir, the thief fly go enter for your own day, go dream a mimbo. That is a life. That is a life. Now, lost sense man in life be that. Now, my don't craze. Now, if you be that kind of stupidity. You just say me that Tanganji they safe. You just say me that Tanganji they feel free. Why the hala plenty? So they make error. No for talk English. Because he knows he minister where he did the only place where they feel celebrating na for South na for Ambazonian land where they feel celebrating and nobody will celebrate you because after they go move you for that place where you did where they don't move like people Russian. You go no say cocky will not get oil na egusi pudding. Now there you go know. Say Frenchman they look and so they laugh. They look and laugh with the pong nose. Okay. To move box calabash table box. You go pong nose ote your belly or can box. How can I life be this? Some man insist for coming for ground zero. Don't over insist for coming for ground zero. Man try call it back. If you be say a number, don't over insist for coming for ground zero because more time. Oh my life. When I turn up so look when they criticize me, when they curse me, when they call me, when they tell me kind of thing, they might turn us on team, my brother. If not for life, I'm not getting no life again. All man the fear for die, yes. Mr. the fear for die. Yes. But sometimes they turn out so you know say you don't already die. You don't already die. When the military they do things no good, why una need the common talk say una condemn the military them? Una own work na for can condemn and bad boys the way they did for their place. They the one do their best for the best of the best way they fit do am. Una na for condemn them. Una they take any evil act put on for their name. Any evil act. I tell una say inside this revolution plenty amber they don't enter inside when una amber them. I see videos they send from where they knock woman, they knock girls, and knock boys them. Now video then where me and if you advise amber boys for do that kind of video, and if you advise any fighter where you take himself to a fighter, go catch woman, snap and where they beat them, no, and if you advise man for do that kind of job. And if you advise, no revolution with that. And if you advise man do that kind of job, because all that one the pain, it make man feel human. Yes. So if you talk all my periphery and say something they do no more snap and put them for outside. And if any man is snap and I'm not that man a traitor. But when I send them, maybe they can't criticize you and say, look at what you are doing. But I know say among una bad one that don't be inside. But when something no good is no good at all for this world, man must talk up. The truth is bitter, but it must be spoken some way, some kind. The truth is bitter, but it must be spoken some way, some kind. Who keep picking them for kumba? When you not stay, who can naked what picking them for inside boya? When you not stay, who can keep what picking them for inside Bamenda now? 7. This morning time 3 under again. Who can kill them? Who can kill them? Some of una made this world just finish now, master. Made the body stop it. Una know how many people are there for prison. Una know how many people are there for prison. Okay, una know say yes, una do to the government. Why una need to go ahead, tell the government, say, fair move all that people there. The innocent souls they're there for prison. Boys, they don't do nothing for this world, they're there for prison. So, innocently. Look, even the God of that land, some of una, they go work for una sense. They work for una sense. Una be say, okay, my party no. Okay, my party, come on, una, some of una, they can't make it, una continue to me, una go know. For friends, they say, on n'est jamais contre sa famille. You can never be against your family. No matter how your family is wrong. That is the game of the mafia. You know if it be against your family. And I don't for calling my brother for diaspora. Everybody. I don't for call now. Everybody. Look, I'm telling all this woman must she down. We think about this thing where they happen for our land. Time don't reach. Because me, my heart overbleed. And when I see una go get program for TV, for una TV station then, una go pass 85% of una time now for coach different man. Me I need listen una again at all. Because every time that the listening man way for say I want learn sense, I go say this man don't do this, this man don't do this. Now this man makes it go so. Now this man makes it go so. Who's that one the carry we go whose side? Whose side that one the carry we go? The carry we go nowhere, my brother. Nowhere. He didn't say carry we with the loss na loss. With the loss na loss. It be very dangerous. So if you unite, it be very impossible. So when if you unite, now when I start this thing, when I get right to unite to carry this thing for different level. Because when I don't make some people that go die so after I can't talk say this thing go finish. Look at me, it will be a different fight for Willie de Paris. Yes. Nothing is impossible for this world. Any problem gets solution. Any problem gets solution. Any problem gets solution. We don't overloss our own them. We don't overloss our own them. We don't overloss what picking them, me. Oh no. We don't overloss our own them. Something have to be done. God, now you know play where the carry we go. Now you know the feel am. Now you know play where these things go. With the loss picking them every day. I get picking them all over the world. But I don't want. I need to feel sleep because the only picture where they see them. Only the way that picking them fine for picture. They be get future. But wait till they can do it in their future. Okay, no one support when I brought them. Because they don't carry gun. Yes. They don't carry gun now for nothing. They carry gun now for nothing. They just also carry gun. Because the government feel say go just talk for any man anyhow. Now the very particular thing they do. If he say that old time where they respect minister like a god, no, say don't pass. See how mommy they come from market whole microphone talk. Oh man, holla, mommy them. They feel say na fear, they fear. Then nobody show. Second round, they can come out where the entire population of Ambassador will be out. Everybody will be out that day. And that day, you understand. When I own that the fee say revolution, no man for the revolution, that lie. People and they fear. But when the fear will go out of them, you understand what is coming. Take it to my tongue. I'm telling you. You understand? I don't tell you now. I do my own part. And I beg you now. No matter who you dey, I don't know who you dey. I don't know your face. I don't know anything from your face. When I try for unite. When I stop all this fucking video the way that they do and put them online. When I stop them. When I try for use una second sense. When I use una second sense. Because I'm saying na first sense na I talk. When I use una second sense. No man if it take revolution go you one. Revolution are when we day together and I eat sweet. I don't want to call people their name here because I don't want to belong to no side. I don't get no man with support and fear. No man. I be Willie de Paris, the son of Tanjo Moses, and the son of Rena Emambwe. Mojika, that was my grandfather's name. Yes. Mba Willie de Paris Njokucha Maria. Yes, Neo Maria. Yozicho Mba Neo Maria. Yes. What kind of life is this? Hello?
Hello, Willie.
Hello?
Hello, bro.
Asha, Papa, now for you.
Just follow your life. I appreciate. I don't hear what will happen for Bamenda today. I really some kind of very sudden news, bro.
This morning time again, the long 3.
imagine it's something way be beyond description. Honestly, I don't know when this thing will ever come to an end. I dey follow up with you the talk, and I dey get to hear how you dey talk about this division way be. I know they follow up with some keen interest. You know, most of these big wigs and these guys where they be start this revolution. Mm-hmm. As you really talk, I really share this idea with you. I know if you imagine, you know, something the way Sisiku Ayok be talk, just about some, say, maybe 3 weeks before the go RNC. Some ground they were a task where I don't want to mention in them. Maybe we come to criticize Ayok we come talk things. If you see anything for the revolution way, you know if you fix them. And where you know get the solution, better me if you don't quite. Need not there for you for come out, go the call name them for people them, the coach people the online. At the end of the day, it only increase the weakness. C'est-à-dire you fragilize the whole revolution. You feel me now? Me, I get the impression say most of these people the way they be studying the revolution, they don't really, you know, they don't really in fact, they don't lost. They don't. It doesn't really give vision because at the end of the day, I didn't see the way as you already talk. Person they can't make life. Coach the man. Oh, the man are paid. Oh, the man is sleep with the man. Oh, the man get it. I'm like, all of those things. You still wanna know so what they play now with about 6 million that people that lives like joke.
I should to God, my brother.
Because like literally that's where it boils down to. You get a lot of people the way people they look on to. Believe me, as we never hear the criticize say, oh, plenty people in the inside ministry, they inside your own the way they sympathize with the boy them like 100%. Now just say why you know they for the bottom. You feel me? Even Mafani herself, if she don't Mafani for down, talk for you. He go up like one on one. He could tell you. He could make a me understand. No, he deal with winner. That's it. That hand be tight. So when I see some kind of person or some big boy them where they most of the day for outside, so they know. They know say this. So which way they do the fan bet. But thing I say I don't really know which way they. I don't want to do the call names. But it be so despicable which way it happen. Because at the end of the day, you know the hell of the boy in the program. If the boy don't for whole gun program or boy now so what situation for no worse.
You talk about worse.
What situation for no worse, like worse. But anyways, I don't believe say this so revolution get faces them at different faces them. Yeah. You understand? It'll be very hurtful, it'll be very painful. But see, I don't see picture of that young periphery, one of them where they shoot the massa. I don't see it be so despicable. And I feel like most of the activism, most of you know our na time all my people go online, you know, cry up. You understand? People don't even tweet, meaning tweet. Because at the end of the day, you know, all of these things, probably they use them. If you use it, they can but make a people they whether they sham but make a people on as everything be fine.
So.
But we that be a true depiction of which way they.
So.
The matter say the match the worker onto our senses them. So I really appreciate what you do. They say we live. Most of the time they do your call in way man is busy, but I just pray say this so me God give you power. I know say now one step to what you know after from this step we take us we will enter another phase by the grace of God. And we go plenty we don't say plenty people they look unto you. Which way they do not underestimate them. And believe me, already cry when they can't cry for you, so no small. If they go places them. I don't know about they tell you, if they go places them. The bit of time when you say this, so you want to go pay. I've been out the point, I've been called, I talk say this, so bro, listen. If you enter that pay, then they say, and also you like that pay, bring people know they get a neck for them. And believe me, that whatever you want, they don't need any reason. They don't need any reason. You know, for all you lock out or for, you don't say you don't commit any crime. But we be like a me, you for that side because we don't say that better things than they will once you for that side you do for we and the one at least at just the beginning. And you know that they say you been standing today, you been a person way, you will not be a person of people them they pee from. And people they don't know. So I really appreciate you, bro. I really appreciate you.
Thank you plenty, my brother.
Yeah, I just want me to continue in that spirit, bro.
Thank you.
I appreciate it just so much.
No one spirit. Take care.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one is the last caller for the day. I'll be very sorry. I'll be get 1 hour, only 1 hour, 10 minutes. I could pray for our picking them. I could pray for our soul. I could pray for say make God enter for some of we were had them. Make this 2021 make it bring a sense for other people in their life. Make it not bring curse and disgrace and all the rest. All this mommy bombo thing the way that I talk, I'm only curse, and it give no sense. Sometimes they want to shit also, you will look on yourself for some mirror. We need to talk about, if not on Twitter, they talk about bread, blockade, or granite, if it be understandable. We talk about life of people they die, people they lost their life. But wait to we would feel for do, now for curse ourselves, now for disgrace this man, for promise this man, say they were going to meet up you, they were going to do this, they were going to do this. Okay, now, we go fight among we. Where will he go? Wait till be the next step. When me I can make life like do one so now let for cost, and I come or go. Whose sense I don't bring them for the matter? Because of money na waiting. Money na waiting, my brother. If you not like any man, una open una account, maybe you throw that money inside una chop am. He go bring all this speaking to run die back. No. Sometimes the way if you don't vex something. When you don't vex something, you can feel vexed one time. All man knows yes, you don't vex. But after you leave them, you continue. You need to vex something, talk about the same thing for more than 1 or 2 or 20 years. Talk about 3 years. Talk on one thing. You don't mix it now. I need listening again most of the life them. For people that keep listening their life the first time. Because first time, when I want to sleep, I put on live them listening them. For get some kind of information them. But you want to open some life, you want to start them. As he start, so they one can finish. Na kosh. Need to carry me go no place. I will forget say now one day, where God go decide for heaven. Say wait till we decide for they make it happen for down here, and it go happen for down here. And the day will go happen for down here. Most of people the way they go be alive that time, they go bring judgment for which way any man don't do. If you don't know me, call me Amber Boy. But if you know me, call me Willie De Paris. Now one day, now God go bring judgment for the problem. Et je vais vous dire, vous, les policiers, les soldats qui tuaient les enfants des autres, soyons donc sûrs que rien n'est pas impuni. Je sais que c'est une guerre que vous n'avez pas souhaitée, mais arrêtez de tuer des enfants innocents. Arrêtez de tuer les petits-enfants. Ce n'est pas à chaque intervention que vous devez faire, vous allez nous dire que vous faites des erreurs. À Gabou, vous avez dit que c'était une erreur. Et maintenant, à Bamenda, ça ne peut pas être une erreur. À Kumba, ça n'a jamais été une erreur. Ne perpétuez pas de bêtises à bêtises. Vous aggravez plutôt la situation. Autant vous vous mettez dans la peau d'un vrai soldat, d'un véritable soldat qui sait ce qu'il veut pour son pays, autant vous ne faites étouffer la plaie et vous allez finir par énerver beaucoup de gens. Because one day, God will finally answer our prayer. Now one day. For most now I don't know. The day I will sing this song for inside Moliko Stadium before one day.